We have a company who has established solid principles from the beginning and has held true to these principles without wavering. A global company who faces the world standing on principles. A company who believes growing together and sharing with others brings the greatest joy. We are Atomy. Atomy has shown steady growth since its foundation in 2009. Starting with the opening of Atomy USA in 2010, 13 Atomy overseas branches have been established to date. Global sales in 2018 amounted to $1.25 billion, and the number of members exceeded 5 million. Atomy's incredible achievements in such a short period of time are quite amazing. What do you think is the driving force that has led Atomy to such great growth? The principle of offering quality products at a reasonable price is the core value that Atomy aims for. All products of Atomy, including skincare products, health supplements, household supplies, fashion, and even home appliances, are made with this principle of absolute quality, absolute price in mind. Atomy's absolute quality promise is fulfilled by partner companies who make products with good raw materials, use the best technology, and ensure thorough quality control. Also, Atomy adheres to the principle of absolute price by striving to reduce costs and implement efficient management strategies. What has been the result of keeping to these principles? Hemohim has been ranked the #1 health functional supplement in the Korean network marketing industry for 5 consecutive years. Absolute Selective Skincare has recorded sales of over $100 million 1 year after its launch in 2017. And Atomy Skincare 6 System has also continued its phenomenal sales record, being long and steadily loved by consumers worldwide. A company that adheres to the principles of distribution. A company that is expanding network marketing with a focus on consumers. Absolute quality, absolute price is the most powerful force of Atomy. Starting with the opening of Atomy USA in 2010, Atomy has expanded into 13 countries to date, covering parts of Asia, North and South America, Oceania, and Russia. Now, Atomy has truly become a global company with about 5 million registered members worldwide. In 2018, Atomy Korea was awarded the $70 million export tower for its robust exports, guaranteeing a $100 million export tower in 2019. Global Atomy is increasing its potential by establishing an active communication platform globally. The company hosts more than 1,000 seminars annually all around the world. Atomy will expand into Vietnam and China within a couple of years. In addition, Atomy plans to open more branch offices in India, the United Kingdom, Turkey, and other numerous countries following Vietnam and China, taking off to become a truly globalized distribution hub for consumer products. After just 9 years of entering into the world market, Atomy has grown by 64 times in gross sales and is still working on expanding its market so that all consumers everywhere can buy and use Atomy products. Atomy's global strategy is called GSGS, Global Sourcing Global Sales. Atomy is unfolding its GSGS strategy in the global marketplace so that people all over the world, regardless of race or nationality, can have access to Atomy's prestige products that they may not otherwise be aware of. Atomy dreams of a day when a consumer-oriented economic ecosystem takes root in every part of the world. Atomy goes beyond customer satisfaction and strives for customer success. The success of customers within Atomy is made possible through Atomy's differentiated customer support called Customer Success System, which involves success academies and one-day seminars hosted directly by the company. Anyone can succeed through this customer success system without necessarily being especially skilled. Moreover, instead of fostering competition among leaders, Atomy has established a strong system of mutual success in which all Atomians can grow together. It is committed to supporting its business partners and creates a culture of mutual growth where everyone succeeds and grows together. One partner for one product, cash payment upon warehousing products, and co-management with partner companies to upgrade quality control systems. Atomy observes these principles to support its business partners in providing the best quality products, which ultimately enables Atomy's core value of absolute quality, absolute price to be realized. Furthermore, Atomy seeks out small and medium-sized companies who suffer from lack of funds or marketing venues to provide them with a stable sales platform. Atomy is actively involved in society through sharing. It shows its love to the world by sharing. The company, its employees, and its members all take part in this practice of sharing for the betterment of society. Wherever there is need, Atomy spreads joy and happiness to its neighbors at home and abroad. A company that stays true to the principles and is creating a new culture of distribution in consumer products. A company that is expanding globally by gaining trust and support. A company that dreams beyond customer satisfaction to customer success. A company that cherishes the spirit. We are proud Atomy.